So I got this license plate cover thing, and the last couple of meets I forgot to take it with me. So today we're going to Fighting Nick's shop's grand opening. So we're gonna have this on the car. But first we gotta meet the homies real quick, and yeah. And like always, I say this all the time, if you guys like the content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And it's time for me to wake the neighbors up and get the fuck up out of here. I love the smell of the corn in the morning. Love it. We gotta let this thing warm up like always, you know what I'm saying? You need gas. What else is new? Getting that E85 right now.
Christ, remote start. It's like
Bro, I hate this thing, bro.
to my soul.
Like, bro, I don't care nothing about that shit right here. I'm about to pull it right now. It looks pretty full already. We're kind of late because of me, so. Oh yeah, what's going on, man?
That's the one. So
It's not a bad idea because the thing is,
it's flexing on you. Sorry.
yeah.
I mean, I like your hood setup. Though. I don't know anything about your C7.
Well, this is a Grand Sport, so as much as it,
You ever see the movies when you're in the restroom and you walk out and you have a piece of paper with shit on your fucking foot? Yeah, I think his is louder.
He's gonna look you hard in the eyes if he wants to fucking like seduce you. Yo, Aaron's ridiculous. Bro, Aaron's car is way louder. 100%. Aaron's is like the loudest. I want to know more.
We're leaving the meet now. It's a cool event. We're gonna get some food.
I know you're such a slow driver, Chris.
Ooh.
Hey,
Shots
let
fired.
me know if you need me to go pick you up when you tow your shit.
He's come to our rescue car a few times.
Hey, raise your hand if you made it to the Sacramento meet last time.
Wait, so you picked him up and made it to the meeting? Damn,
I texted you the address.
Oki's the worst.
What's up?
Said Oki's the worst for the heat. Okinawa.
Oh, because we shit's outside all the time.
I know.
That's why I have the lighting thing. A little squeaky.
A little bit.
Oh my god, that's hot. Fuck. Oh shit, I burned myself on that shit, bro. Yeah, we're leaving now and I'll bring you some food. I don't know what else is happening today, but we're gonna get out of here. Out here in Rancho. This car's leaving roll right now. Yeah. Look at that. Shit.
I thought they were part of the construction site parking over there.
Oh really? They used to.
That's funny as hell. I probably would have done the same damn thing in my Jeep. I'm watching you. All needs. Oh, yeah, I need a whole new door in.
Could you hold the door? I just don't want to hit you. Okay. It's hard for me to get into my seat.
He needs to go forward a little bit more. Can you go forward a little bit more? Hey, wait.
At least not cut it now.
Yeah, cut it.
One more. Cut all the way. Cut all the way. You ain't really doing nothing. It's like slipping all this fucking oil.
Right?
God damn, bro. Look at my foot.
Damn. Big Michael Jackson right here, bro. Moonwalking. The Calabasas.
It's pretty easy.
Hey, make sure you follow our guy on Instagram.
I might be alright. This shit's rolling.
Yeah.
You want to move the 4x4s?
Tire gonna go up it?
This side's good.
This side's good.
Yeah, they'll roll over.
Quick as fuck though. Truck thing quick as fuck. That's like the fastest response ever.
Yeah.